Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 tips, and here I'll detail how to create album in iPhone iOS 18. So if you're using the Photos app and you want to section your photos section by section so that you only need to create album for each categories as against the default category created by the Photos app on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how you can create a personalized album on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to create album on iPhone Photos app iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Then on the Photos app page, you want to scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to albums and then click on that. Once you click on that, you should see all your albums here. Now go ahead and click on create at the top left. Then you should see new folder or new album. If you want to create a new album, select new album. If you want to create a new folder, select new folder. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and click on new album. Then give your album a name. So just give this a name you can easily remember, or a name that depicts the purpose of the album. Then after that, come here and tap the plus button. Then select the photo you want to add to the album. So just select all of the photos. And once you are done, go ahead and click on add at the top right. Then you should see the new album like this. Edit key photo, you can just tap that to edit your key photos. Once you click on edit key photo and you select your key photo, it's going to use the photo as the thumbnail for the new album. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on done. Then there you go. They're going to have it under personal. Then if you click on that, then you're going to have the album you created like this. You can close this page and then come down to albums. Under album, you can see the new album you created. You see that? So that is basically how to create albums in Photos app on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.